Back to you, Don.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Conrad. All right. Time now for Jeff's feature this week, and that's going to be the real vintage car ads as opposed to the fake ones.
Yeah. Now hold your applause till we're done with this, everyone.
All right.
It's going to be really good.
All right.
We are men of applause.
Vintage car ads are a fascinating glimpse into the car advertising past. They offer a unique charm and humor, which is seriously lacking in today's modern ads. Car companies today can learn a lot from the folks that designed them in the past. And here we go. This first one.
I think we need to press the...
We do.
There you go.
This first one is called Gremlin's Anatomy. When you hear the word gremlin, what comes to mind first is a mischievous folkloric creature known for causing mishaps. Well, this is not that gremlin, but the name of the car was produced by American Motors Corporation. This is a humorous ad for the time period. Not only did it emphasize the car's qualities, but it made sure that there was to educate the people on where to sit and where to keep their pets. Now, if you look in the lower right corner, it does say, buckle up for safety in the bottom right. So this was one of those first time, safeties first. This one I pulled up from the Neederville Gazette. This is actually for our two-wheel guys. Harley-Davidson is a motorcycle company that's been in business since 1903. It's dominated the American motorcycle scene. Harley has the most eye-catching ads, and this one is a 2003 Harley-Davidson. It's an FX DWG3, 16,000 miles on it. It's a nice bike. It's fast. It's pretty. Features custom grips, great ride. Girlfriend pregnant, wife knows, must sell. Lawyer wants money.
That was from the Neederville Gazette?
Neederville Gazette. That's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
This one, we all needed one of these back in the day. Sleep before anything. Napping in cars can be uncomfortable, but Nash Motor Company had the perfect solution back in the day. In the ad, their cars came up with sleeping chairs that could be easily reclined for a better sleep experience.
Ron Stein's got one of these.
This ad was a hit back then and must have sold numerous units. We know that they're wondering about the seat belts. They weren't required until 1968, so no children were launched in the air when they stepped on the brakes. Can you imagine going to a drive-in with one of these?
Yeah,
Wouldn't that
baby.
be great?
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
What does Ron say? A father's nightmare about his car?
Mm-hmm. This one is for both genders. There are two. Although it's clever marketing strategy on Hearst's part, his and hers touches a sensitive nerve in the heart of consumers, especially young couples. The ad tries its best to include both genders in his campaign. His signifies that it has something outstanding performance-related features, which means typically for a guy, and hers means that she can drive it comfortably thanks to the automatic transmission.
Yeah, the his and hers was branded by Pontiac in their what's called a dual gate shifter.
Right.
Oldsmobile had a Hearst dual gate shifter as well, but they called it a dual gate.
Okay, this one is, this is for Mike. Size isn't important. The advertisement was originally for a minivan, a vehicle that remains popular today, and true, its name is Mini. To be happy, you don't need to have the biggest things. Size isn't the measurement of satisfaction. Sometimes big things do come in small packages. Okay, now this last one, I'm just going to let you read it because this is an actual ad. So if you have a small penis, if I got a car for you. This is from Joe's Porsche. If you're going to overcompensate, then by all means overcompensate. This is a Carrera 4. It's loaded up, $89,911. Call 312-552-1676. And ask for who, Mike? Ask for Tiny.
I'm paying attention. Nobody else is, but I am.
Well, and there you go. Now, there's like thousands of these things out there, so you can go and have fun, look at these, and laugh. That's what I did. It was good.
Well, that was excellent. I particularly like the motorcycle ad. The guy who's
From
selling
the Neederville Gazette.
Neederville Gazette selling his
Girlfriend.